Ooh, let me tell y'all something. It is cold outside, and I need to make me a salad for lunch, so we going outside. I know y'all probably saying it's too cold to be eating salads. What if I told you? I hear people say that all the time. What if I told you eating salads with leafy greens and brassicas in the winter can be beneficial, as they provide the essential nutrients that our body needs, especially in the wintertime, like vitamin A, vitamin C, not to mention fiber, antioxidants, and plenty of hydration, especially for those of you who go in your house and hibernate in your house and don't want to go outside. Okay? So, yeah, we're going to eat some salads during the winter. I got me a few. I'm going to add it to some produce I already have. I already washed these up. We're going to get these cut up, chopped, and then chopped up, and we're going to make us a nice chopped salad. Let's get it. This is the best way I know to eat veggies, especially in the wintertime, because you can consume a lot of produce just by trying to eat at least a salad a day or a few salads per week, right? Veggies like kale, these are crucial, especially during the winter months when we are really tasking our immune system. So brassicas like broccoli, you see broccoli here, also offer a lot of antioxidants and fiber. And this does support your digestive system as well and add some additional vitamins. So winter salads, for me, is the way to go. It gives you well-rounded and a nutritious diet. These foods are also, this is the season. This is the season in which we grow these types of vegetables. Okay, and also if you buy them from the grocery store, they're most readily accessible during the winter months because, like I said, this is the season for brassicas. So, and if you grow your own vegetables, you probably say, it's too cold, I don't want to go outside, you don't want to deal with digging in the dirt and all that stuff. Try a container garden. That's my preferred method at this current time is the container garden. I do some other stuff, but container garden is my primary focus. And it's just so convenient during the winter months to just, open your back door and go outside and pick what you need right off of your patio. So if you haven't tried that, at least give that a try or try growing some stuff inside, whichever you think is you will most likely do. And I'm just going to add the kale, as you know, it's a little bit more tougher for the palate if you don't try to break it down. I'm just using some olive oil here to massage that in and break it down a little bit, and I'm going to mix that right in with the romaine lettuce. But like I said earlier, growing vegetables in containers, it's all about, and growing your own food in general, for me, is really more about the convenience and knowing that I have produce that are highly concentrated in nutrition. And you know that. Most of us know that, right? You buy the produce from the store and it's probably traveled quite a ways before it actually reached your store and you took the effort and time to go buy it from the store. So really growing your own food for me is more about convenience more than it is about saving money. And like I said earlier, I much rather open my back door and walk out on my patio and get what I need instead of getting dressed, getting in my car, and going to the store. And I'll be honest with you guys, it's really not that difficult to grow your own produce. I mean, you just choose the right varieties for your area and make sure you get the right variety that's going to be able to withstand those winter temperatures, the cold weather. And you can get some help from your local nursery You can also do your own research online. You can watch other people's YouTube videos. It's so much information out there. There's really no excuse not to know enough information to at least try. So if you're not growing anything, maybe try container gardening or hydroponics or some other growing method that is, that fits your lifestyle. Just give it a try, and I'm willing to bet that you won't regret it. You won't regret it. If you really give it the old college try, I know you'll be successful at doing this. And you will gain the convenience that some of us growers have in having that continuous supply, maybe not continuous supply of the same veggies, but different seasons. You grow different vegetables, and not to mention, if you learn how to preserve some of your vegetables, you can enjoy them on the off seasons as well. And like I said, you cannot beat having that nutritional value that you get from the fresh produce that you've grown at home versus what you buy in the store. Okay, I'm going to stop lecturing now. Go make you a salad. If I made this for you, would you eat it? Would you eat it? Don't that look good?